normally take fluff from my sister's teddy bear. She said it's okay, so we take fluff from stuffed animals to make them squishy. Or if you don't have any fluff, you could use anything in your house. Okay. I got my base. You could pause the video if I'm going too quick. Now you want to take your black marker and do like, oh wait, it's too much. What? It's okay. Okay, guys, so then you want to do my sister put. Okay, then you want to do color the circles in. You could do any big size, any small size. Okay, guys, my sister's videoing me. Yeah, that's good. Hey, guys. Hello. You could draw small ones, big ones, things like that. Okay, guys, I will see you once I'm done. Okay, so we finished. Now you want to... Oh, I forgot to mention you need scissors too. Why is this right here? That's mine. Okay, put it in. Okay, guys, my sister's gonna entertain you while I go and get the scissors. So, yours can be any color, any size boba balls, but it's not supposed to be too big. It has to be like little dots. So now my sister got back with the scissors. If you're small and you're doing this, make sure to have an adult. But since I'm 8 and I know the scissors, then so I could cut them. But if you're below 5, you have to have a parent. Because you could you could cut yourself like, ow, Bobby, I hurt myself. Are you gonna make one video how you make a boba squishy? Yeah. After me and my sister's making. And save the paper because we're gonna be using the paper for things. And for the straw. Yeah, for the straw. But I almost forgot you need tape. Tape to tape the base of this. So I have this cool one. But if you don't have this, you could tell your mom to unscrap it. Or your sister or anybody at the house. I'm gonna make it. This will take long, but if you want to make it quicker, you need. And you have to tape all of this, and I'll see you once I'm done. Okay, we're done. So now we are going to take this part and use our tape again. Just take it. Yeah. My sister's doing so good job. Such a good job of helping. Videoing the process. So, yeah. Now we're gonna put the tape. Sometimes you need a partner, but since I'm alone.
And I'm busy videoing your video. So you have to do it yourself. Wait.
Okay, guys, I cannot do it alone, so I'm gonna ask my mom. Now, come on, guys, follow. Okay, guys, but the easy way is you're gonna see like your phone again. Okay, you wanna take your tape. Voila. Okay, so once you're finished this, you're gonna go back to the room. Okay. And then you wanna get your take it. Oops. You're gonna take your marker.
Sorry guys, my finger went on the camera.
Okay. I know mine is a bit risky, but it's okay. Then you want to take this and color it in. I'll see you once I'm done. Okay, so we're done now. You want to take your scissors and cut it. And don't throw away the paper.
And you need it for the straw.
Yeah. And you don't want to waste it.
Yeah.
I want to take this now. Okay, once you're done this, we're gonna see you once I tape this bottom bit, and we're gonna get some cotton to fill up. Okay, so I'm done taping this bit, and now I'm gonna go to get cotton. So my sister's gonna record me going up, but then she's gonna stop recording when I go down. I'm gonna get it from my teddy bear sound.
I didn't catch it, I'm videoing.
Okay, now go down. I got the cotton. Okay, now you want to take. Don't do how much I do because yours can be bigger, smaller, and you don't want to break it if it's smaller to overfill it. So you want to stuff it and. and cover it. I'm gonna tape it. But before you put it on your before you put it on your boba cup, you'll know. Take it. We actually do it on the boba cup. It's easier to do it. No. No. That won't work, guys. This one is too small. So I'm gonna do it big, and I'm gonna... Yeah, my sister's gonna pause it. I done it, guys. Sorry, guys. So now, you wanna tape it. But it's also better to do it once, like, you're not gonna trace over it, because that would be hard. And I always ask my Mom, can you help me? Like that. But it's easier to just draw a circle and then it's already done. So we've done the base. Now this is what I was telling you. Now I want to take it. This could be a bit hard for children under 4, things like that. They want to cut a hole. If it won't go, then like me, then you just push it, but then it's gonna be like that. Like that. Then, like this, the hole. Now we're doing the straw. So you want to take any color and do like that. And now you want to color it with Sonya. So I'm going to do my colored flag, Ukraine. Okay, now I want to cut it out. Careful, kids. Okay, so once you got your straw, you wanna tape it. Tape again. Make sure if you have tape that I have, small kids don't get bad injuries, because this part is sharp, and here I hurt myself with it. You see that white?
Yeah, they also saw the bumps.
Yeah, so yeah, don't use it if you have it and you're 4 years old and you're good using it, you're not playing with it, the sharp edges, then that's okay. And you need a parent if you're under 4. Okay. Don't cut off these parts. If you did already, then you could just tape it again. But then after, you just want to take it, fold the other top edges, and roll it like so. like a spaghetti hole. Like that.
Now we're gonna put it in this one.
Yeah, in the boba hole here. And then...
She did it upside down, but that's okay.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay, never mind, guys. If you did it upside down, then tape it.
Just tape it.
Once I did it upside down, once, and then I keep on doing it upside down.
And when she's done taping it and cutting a hole in it, then we will unpause it.
We'll update you once we're finished.
1, 2, 3.
Finished, guys, and this is what your product should look like. If you did it in the bottom, don't forget to tape it like me. And if it didn't go through, well, take a marker, punch it down, and then your straw should fit. Like that. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, click subscribe, and notification bell. Bye. Peace.